In this video, I'm going to explain how to obtain power of attorney in Arkansas. I'll cover the different types of power of attorney, the essential requirements, and the benefits of using statutory forms. So by the end of this video, you'll be able to confidently create your very own power of attorney. And by the way, if you feel like you need help creating power of attorney, then I recommend you reach out to people at lawdepot.com because they are professionals and they will be able to help you. I'm going to leave a link to their website down in the description of this video. And with that in mind, let's get right into it. Overview. A power of attorney is a valuable legal document that allows someone you trust to handle specific matters on your behalf, such as managing your finances when you're unable to do so. In Arkansas, understanding how to obtain power of attorney is essential for planning your financial future and ensuring that your interests are protected. Types of power of attorneys in Arkansas. In Arkansas, you can create different types of power of attorneys, but two crucial ones are commonly used. Financial power of attorney. This type enables your chosen individual, referred to as your agent or attorney in fact, to manage your financial and business affairs. Healthcare power of attorney. This grants someone the authority to make medical decisions on your behalf if you are unable to do so. Most people opt for durable power of attorneys in their estate plans. Durable means that the powers granted in the document remains in effect even if you become incapacitated. These two power of attorneys are essential for planning and safeguarding against unforeseen circumstances. Legal requirements for financial power of attorney in Arkansas. Before you create a financial power of attorney in Arkansas, there are specific legal requirements you must meet. Mental capacity. The person creating the power of attorney must be of sound mind. While the exact definition of mental capacity can vary, it is advisable to consult an estate planning attorney if you have any doubts about mental capacity. Notarization. Although not strictly required by Arkansas law, notarization is highly recommended. When you sign your power of attorney in the presence of a notary public, it adds an extra layer of validity to your document, which can be crucial especially when dealing with financial institutions. Steps to create a financial power of attorney in Arkansas. Now, let's walk through the steps to obtain a financial power of attorney in Arkansas. Step number 1. Choose your method. Arkansas offers a statutory form for creating a power of attorney. However, this form may be complicated and filled with legal jargon. Alternatively, you can use software programs like Law Depot, which guide you through the process with simple questions, or consult with an Arkansas lawyer for personalized assistance. Step number 2. Specify powers. Whether using a statutory form or software, you'll need to grant your agent specific powers. This may include managing real estate, financial accounts, business operations, government benefits, retirement plans, and tax matters. Make sure your power of attorney explicitly states that it remains effective even after incapacitation. Step number 3. Notarize your document. Sign the power of attorney in the presence of a notary public to enhance its authenticity. Step number 4. Secure the original document. Safely store the original power of attorney where your loved ones can access it easily and inform them of its location. If you become incapacitated, your agent may need the original document to act on your behalf. Step number 5. Share a copy with your agent. Provide a copy of the power of attorney to your chosen agent to ensure they are aware of its contents and can use it when required. Step number 6. File a copy with the Land Records Office. If you've granted your agent powers related to real estate, file a copy of your power of attorney with the Land Records Office in the county where you own property. This helps establish your agent's authority in property transactions. And step number 7, notify financial institutions. Consider providing copies of your durable financial power of attorney to relevant banks and institutions that your agent may need to deal with in the future. This can streamline the process in case your agent needs to exercise their powers. Choosing your attorney-in-fact/agents. You have the legal freedom to name any competent adult as your agent. However, practical considerations such as trustworthiness and location should guide your decision. It's often recommended to name a single agent to minimize potential conflicts, but having a successor agent as a backup plan is wise. Effective date and termination. Your financial power of attorney becomes effective immediately unless it explicitly states a future date. It's generally advised against creating springing powers of attorney that rely on specific conditions such as a doctor declaring incapacitation. Your financial power of attorney ends under the following circumstances. You revoke it while you are mentally competent, no agent is available, which is why naming a successor agent is beneficial, a court invalidates the document due to factors like mental incapacity, fraud, or undue influence. In Arkansas, if your spouse is your agent and you and your spouse file for divorce, your ex-spouse's authority as your agent ceases. Conclusion. In conclusion, obtaining a financial power of attorney in Arkansas is a prudent step in planning for the future. It provides you with peace of mind knowing that your financial financial matters will be in capable hands if you become incapacitated. By following the straightforward steps outlined in this video, you can easily create a durable financial power of attorney to protect your interests. Don't forget that if you feel like you need help creating your power of attorney, then I recommend you reach out to people at lawdepot.com because they are professionals and they will be able to help you. I'm going to leave a link to their website down in the description of this website. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe.